The sun dipped below the horizon as Mia wandered deeper into the woods, chasing the sound of laughter. It echoed through the trees, playful and inviting. She followed the sounds, her heart racing with excitement, believing she'd find her friends. But as she pushed through the underbrush, the laughter faded, replaced by a soft whisper that seemed to resonate from the very air around her. "Help me," it called. She hesitated, a chill creeping up her spine. The voice was familiar yet distorted, sending shivers through her bones. Mia called out, but only silence answered. Panic surged within her. She turned to leave, but the path seemed to shift. The trees loomed closer, their branches twisting like skeletal hands. She felt watched, the air thick with an unseen presence. The voice returned, now pleading, echoing with desperation. "Stay with me." Driven by a mix of dread and curiosity, Mia called again, but the whispers turned to laughter, a mocking, cruel sound. In a haze of fear, she ran, but the laughter followed, swirling around her. Finally, she stumbled upon a clearing, only to find her reflection in a dark, still pond. As she gazed into it, the voice faded, and she realized she was alone. Her own image stared back, but within its depths, she saw flashes of her friends, their faces twisted in terror before they disappeared completely. The woods were silent once more.